welcome back to the channel. Today we are at my friend's Dave's house in his garage, except for I'm outside in the snow. We are putting some wheel spacers that I bought on my 2005 Silverado. Not a big fan of the the stands. You can see they're tucked in. Now, the spacers I bought are a 2-inch wheel spacer. They are Yitamotor wheel spacers. I bought them off Amazon. They're like 130 or 140 bucks for 4. They're a 2-inch spacer. As you can see, I got this one started. We're going to get it mounted up and get a tire put on it, see how it looks. Well guys, there's the before or the after. And there's the before. So I'll get back to you as soon as I get them all done, show you the difference in the way it looks. We'll go back here and look at it from the back. Can't see no tire in the back, so we'll show you what we get when we're done. Okay, we're back. Sorry it took so long. Got sidetracked. But as you can see, you've seen the before, you're seeing the after now. It's got a way more aggressive stance. Not as aggressive as some people, but I didn't want them fucking sticking out 6 inches. I don't have it lifted, so. Alright, I'm picking this up probably, what the hell is it, 3 days? 4 days later than last time you see me putting the wheel spacers on. I am currently at work, and in the first video, or one of the first videos, I talked about the reason I didn't get the Mustang as a manual is because of what I do. I drive semi. There's my semi. So it's got a 13 speed in it. I just get sick of shifting when I get home. So other exciting news in the world of the pickup. I have owned this for almost a year, and I've known it's had remote start, but I did not know what the button combination to the remote start was. Finally figured it out. It's you gotta hold the lock button and then press the unlock button 3 times, and then it remote starts. So that being said, thank God I finally figured it out, because now I don't have to freeze to death every time I go to get in it. But the other thing I didn't tell you guys about is the day I put the wheel spacers on, I put new taillights in also. They're tinted taillight. So right now, I just got back in from going to Cincinnati, Ohio. As you can see, my truck is freaking covered with snow again. And when I come to work on Sunday, I had to drive through a friggin' blizzard to get here. So I'm letting it warm up a little bit, and then after I'm done, we're gonna take it and spray some of the slush and shit that's froze off it on it off. That way it's kind of clean for 30 seconds. So we'll pick that back up when we get to the car wash. Alright, I'm back. Now the truck's clean. Or cleaner. Like I said, y'all, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please subscribe. Tell your friends about the channel. I mean, trying to get this thing started is kind of a lot of work, it seems like. Makes a guy wonder if it's worth it. But at the same time, I enjoy doing it, and I enjoy doing car stuff. So it's one of them deals. We'll keep doing it, but hopefully it picks up. And I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna figure out some sort of giveaway, if it's gear, merch, or gift card, or something to some random subscriber. So we'll figure that out when the time comes. But until then, have a great day.